and welcome to this arithmetic task here. You've got 28 questions in total to do in this particular exercise, and you'll have to do quite a bit of working out to get through these questions as well. Let's just do the first question together. So 457, add 100. Let's just add these up. So 7 add 0 is 7, 5 add 0 is 5, and 4 add 1 is 5. And that gives us an answer of 557. We've got various different types of questions here as well. Subtraction, you've got some division, you've got some fractions as well. Let's do one fraction question together. Here, the common denominators are very similar, which means that you do not need to get a common denominator. You're just going to add these together. So 1 add 5 will be 6. And because the common denominators are the same on both sides, we're going to leave them the same. So the answer in this case is going to be 6/7. Good luck with the rest of the questions. And like usual, we'll follow these up in our next class. We'll see how many of them you got right first time around. Thank you.